Hey man, same man. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Y'all already know where y'all at. Y'all on Deontay TV. You know what I'm saying? And today I'm gonna be doing a little something different for y'all, man. Today, I've been getting a lot of people asking me where I get my crystal necklaces and things from. Um, I originally used to get it from this site called Earthbound, right? I originally used to get them from Earthbound, and now I get them from a site called Mnhrtz. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show y'all where I get my wire wrap necklaces and my crystals and things. And I'm gonna show y'all my whole crystal collection. But I'm just gonna give y'all some insight on where I get my crystals and stuff from. And if you're not spiritual, you know what I'm saying, if you don't believe in the power of crystals and things of that nature, then this video is not for you. I'm only making this video and manifesting this video into the lives of people who, you know, are spiritual, into the lives of people who want to know where to get authentic crystals and things from, you know. So let me go ahead and show y'all the first site that I was talking about. If I can pop it up. Here we go. All right, here we go. As you can see, this is where I get all of my crystal necklaces and all of my recent crystals from. I'm going to put the link in the description down below so y'all can go check it out on your own. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Give y'all a little better view of it. As you can see, we got crystal bracelets right here. She got a sale going on crystals. Got your raw crystals right here. Got your wire wrap necklaces. I am wearing raw wrapped labradorite right now. And I also have a few crystals from her shop right here in front of me. And I'm going to show them to you. I have the Selenite Stick. I have it right here. You know, it like cleanses the space wherever you have it at. It cleanses that space. Like, can I make this bigger for you guys so you can be able to read it? You know, it cleanses and purifies its environment. It clears negative energy. It cleanses and charges other crystals. It's also a self-cleansing crystal. Its calming properties make it ideal for meditation and spiritual work. It enhances team spirit in groups and organizations. Perfect crystals for greeting the home or property. Greeting, have to look that up. Calms nightmares, good for memory, and aids in physical balance. And this is what it looks like. It's right here. Yeah. Also, other crystals I have from this site. I've bought a lot of crystals from her, bro. I've bought a lot of crystals. Um, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I have raw pyrite. I also have this. It doesn't give a description. It normally does. I don't know why. Y'all just hang in there with me for a second. As you can see, she got a lot of crystals on her site, bro. Like a lot. And if you go to them, they tell you like what they're for, what their properties are, you know, tell you how to use them the best way and everything. Uh, hmm. Did I pass it? Was I moving too fast? You see a lot of her stuff is sold out. Like she sell out quick, bro. I'm telling you, she sell out super quick. Like she sell out real quick on a lot of these. But yeah, I got pyrite right here. I got some pyrite from her. It helps with like, why doesn't it tell you? It's supposed to tell you. But pyrite helps with like, you know, it helps with money. It helps with abundance, you know. Let me see if I can go to the cart and pull this up. But why my internet? Like when I try to, you know what I'm saying? When I try to do some, come on now. Why is it tweaking on me like this? When I try to do something, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put y'all on game. I'm trying to better y'all life. It want to tweak on me like this. That's crazy. But all right, we're gonna go to the wire wrap necklaces next. And see, a lot of her necklaces is sold out. See, I got Chevron Amethyst, but I don't have it in a necklace. I have it in just a regular Chevron Amethyst. The Chevron Amethyst is a combination of white quartz and amethyst mixed from a V banded or stripped pattern. You know, it's usually purple, lavender, or white. It can help you open your third eye. It can help you with wealth. You know, it can help you with your creativity. Like if you draw, paint, sculpt, or create in any way. Like me, I'm a YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? I'm a content creator. I create content for y'all. All right. And you see, I have pyrite, but I don't have it in a wire wrap necklace. I got it. I carry these around in my pocket like all the time, though. I ain't gonna hold you. Is it gonna tell you? Why is he not telling me the pyrite, man? That sucks. It normally, when I first bought these, they normally had them right there telling you exactly what the properties and things of it was. But let me continue to show y'all. I do have green averturing, but my mom has it. I gave it to her because she needed it more than I needed it right now. So I gave it to her. You can also see get your century wrap wire necklace. Her necklaces sell out super like super fast. And she have to restock them. Like I think she restock probably once a week. I think she say. But yeah, man, this is the site. I'ma leave the. You see, she got vegan candles. She got crystal bracelets. She got tea and merch and glasses. I haven't bought a crystal bracelet from her yet, but these are some of the bracelets she have. Yeah, man, she sell out quick on everything. I'm gonna put the link to her TikTok too. She she really helping me in my spiritual journey. Not even gonna hold you. See, go down here. Oh, it's not gonna show you, but it's a thing that say reveal offers, and like she have offers all the time, you know. And the other site I was telling you guys about, what are these out here? I'm actually finna buy some more crystals from her and some more necklaces. Gotta buy the merch too to support. Gotta support. And the other site I was telling you guys about is called Earthbound. It's called Earthbound. And this is actually where my first crystals ever came from. Someone very close and special to me got me my first crystals from Earthbound, and I've never looked back. I'm gonna show you guys my entire crystal collection in the end of this video. But yeah, man, these are the sites where I get my crystals from. The crystals from this site here are all organically and authentically sourced. So make sure you go there and get your authentic and organic crystals. You're gonna go to Earthbound and get you some crystals too. You know what I'm saying? They've changed my life. Crystals has really changed my life. I still pray and meditate and manifest, and I just incorporated crystals into it. You know what I'm saying? I still have faith and I still believe in the Most High, the crystals just enhance my energy and they enhance my aura and it just enhances me. You know what I'm saying? So you can leave your negative comments down below and I gladly respond to them for you. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, I just want to appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. Make sure y'all look at the next clip for the entirety of my crystal collection. Make sure y'all go check out both of these sites and get y'all some crystals, man. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up, man. It's time to wake up. See y'all in the next clip. As promised, this is my entire crystal collection. I've had more crystals, but I've given them away to people who needed them more than I did. And, you know, when it's time to get rid of crystals, sometimes you lose them, sometimes you break them, you know. But these are more of the crystals that I own. 1 second, I got a few bracelets I'm going to show y'all as well. These are also the crystal bracelets that I own. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all check out those websites. Make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all get y'all energies right, man. Time to wake up. Let's get it. Till next time. Peace.